Welcome to Digital Electronics lecture series. I, Professor Hitesh Dholakia, is going to explain you examples based on K-map using don't care condition. Right. So in my previous video, we have solved examples on K-map for normal 1 and 0 condition. Here, I'll add one more condition, that is don't care condition in examples. So let us have first problem here. So you can see the question, the number of product terms in minimized sum of product expression obtained through the following K-map is how much. So we are deal with to identify how many groups are there in this Carnot map, where X is don't care. So these are X, you can see, and that is don't care over here, right? So when you have don't care, at that time, there is only one thing that you need to keep in your mind. See, you can use don't care to increase the size of group, but it is not compulsory to cover all don't care. So this is what you need to keep in your mind. Again, remember this, you can use don't care to increase size of the group, but it is not compulsory to utilize all don't cares. While for ones, we need to cover all ones, right? We need to cover all ones. While in case of it is not compulsory to cover all don't care. But don't care can be used to increase the size of the group. This is what the thing which we need to keep in our mind, right? So now let us solve this example so it will be more clear. So if you observe these ones, right, then based on this position of ones, you can clearly see corner grouping is possible. So this is my first group. So corner grouping explains this is my first group, and that is a size of 4 ones group, right? So this is my first group. Now only one is remain, right? So this one that I can have it by having this grouping, as well as I can have this one by having this grouping. So both of these possibilities are correct, right? And as per that, we can say there will be two product which is there with this K-map, right? And if I want my answer in terms of Boolean expression, then as per Boolean expression, this first group that will be, you see AB is 0 0 1 0, so B is bar, A is changing, and horizontally you see CD is 0 0 1 0, so C is changing, D is 0 means bar. So first group is B bar D bar, right? And as per this correct solution, second group that will be, you see CD is 1 1, so CD is 1 1, and AB is 1 1 and 1 0, so A is constant, so I can say this is ACD. But there is one more possible answer that one should know, right? There can be second group as per this. So our second answer that could be, you see AB is 1 0 means AB bar, and CD that is 1 1 and 1 0, so C is constant 1, so I can write A B bar C. So there can be two possible answers, Y is equals to B bar D bar plus ACD, or our function Y that could be B bar D bar plus A B bar C. So both answers are correct, right? But in both answers we can see two groups are possible, right? So this is our answer 2. Now let us have second question. So here you can clearly see we have been given with K-map, and we are dealing with to identify Boolean expression for this K-map, where X is don't care. So as I have told you, don't care is utilized to maximize the size of group, but it is not compulsory to use don't care, right? And here, to solve this problem, first we need to see what is the largest possible group. So if you observe corner grouping, then I can have size of 4 cells grouping, right? So you can see as per this, I can have 4 cell size grouping. So this is my first group. So let me write it is first group. So if I say my function is y, then as per this first group, see AB, that is 0 0 1 0. So here you can clearly observe A is changing from 0 to 1, but B is 0. So I can say it is B bar. And then horizontally CD, that is 0 0 1 0, means C is changing from 0 to 1, but D is 0 0. So that is D bar, right? Now I need to cover this one. And for that biggest size of group, as per opposite, you can see I can have this. So this is my second group. So as per this second group with 4 cell size, if you observe AB is 0 0 0 1, so A is constant over here, that is 0, so it is A bar. And horizontally CD is 0 0 1 0, so C is changing from 0 to 1, and D is 0 0, so that is D bar. Now I just need to cover this one and that one, that I can cover by grouping of 2 cells. So this is my third group. So as per this third group, you can clearly observe AB is 1 0, so it is A B bar, and horizontally you see CD is 1 1 and 1 0. So C is constant, D is changing, C is 1, means it is A bar, A B bar C. Right, so that is how we can solve this problem. Right, now I'll explain you one more example, that is to solve K-map by using don't care. So question is, so now you can observe in this question we are dealing with to solve Boolean expression, right? And here X is don't care, that you can see. So as per the basic rules, we need to see how many largest grouping can be done, right? So if you observe in this question, then you'll be finding, like, see, by having this I can form one group which is of size of 4 cells, right? So this is my first group of size of 4 cell. Now if you observe, this is one and all corner are don't care, so I can consider corner grouping. So this is second largest group, right? So this is second group which is largest one. Now if you observe here, there is a confusion, right? Why there is a confusion? The reason is, here I have considered 2 groups, right? And here if you consider this group, then you don't need to consider this 2 first and second group. So now see, by other color I am showing it. If I consider this group, then I don't need to consider first and second group. So initial assumption was wrong with first and second group, right? So I am considering this group which covers second and first group, right, as well as this one. So this is what correct group which I have. I don't need to consider X compulsorily, right? But I need to cover all ones, and for that, if it is having don't care, then we can use it, but it is not compulsory to use don't care. And my second group, that is this. So sometimes this type of tricky questions will come, like you will be finding like 1 2 groups are there and then this, and that is how you may have larger size. So this is my second group. So by having this 2 combination, we can clearly solve this. So I don't need to go for these groups 1 and 2 as you can see it by green color. So my function is y is equals to, for first group you can see AB is 0 0 1 0, so A is changing and B is 0, so B bar, and horizontally CD is 0 0 0 1, so C is 0, so B bar C bar, plus second group that is having AB which is 1 1 and 1 0, so A is 1, so A, and CD is 0 0, so C bar D bar. So this is what correct solution for this question, right? So sometimes you will be finding this type of tricky questions will be there, where as earlier I have shown it by green color, it was covering more groups, but as per the basic rules we need to have as less as group possible so that we can have proper Boolean equation, right? So this is all about K-map examples based on don't care condition. I hope that you have understood this session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give your valuable suggestions. Definitely based on your suggestions in future I'll make videos which will resolve your queries. So please give your valuable suggestions over here. Thank you so much for watching this video.